After this video you will be able to understand and you will be able to solve this exercise which is there in your page number 75. Open page number 75. Fill in the blanks with past perfect form of the verb given in the brackets. I failed to catch the train on that fateful day. Okay, you have to write form of the verb, that to past perfect form of the verb. Okay, past perfect, that is what you can write. I had failed. Past and past perfect, that means fail of past is failed, isn't it? Had failed to catch the train on the fateful day. Okay, now turn your page. Now you have here, fill in the blanks using past perfect form of the verb given in the bracket. Again you have to write it here, regular, irregular verbs. Okay, using those irregular, regular verbs, you need to use past perfect form of the verb. Okay, when I reached the station, the train dash already. Pause the video and try to write it. Had left, isn't it? Yes. By the time the teacher entered the class, the student dash walking. Had stopped. Had stopped talking. Okay, like this type you need to write it. Another two questions are there. You need to solve it. Here is a page from Ranu's diary. This is all about Ranu's diary. You need to write it about the Ranu's plan, how she is doing. Okay. See in your page number 77. She telephoned Rima. When she telephoned, Renu went to a movie on Saturday evening. Movie evening. If you see the diary of Ranos, you can find Saturday movie evening. The telephone Rima. To whom? Friend. Okay. So you will feel like that, how according to the diaries of Rana. Okay, and then you have another exercise. Turn your page. You have noticed one picture here. Arun, Bahama, Chandru, Devi, Isha, Paruk. Where are the people in the picture? Complete the sentence. The first one is done for you. Chandru is standing behind Farooq. He is Chandru, Farooq. So Chandru is sitting behind Farooq. Farooq is standing here. Then like that you need to do it here in this page. Okay, Farooq is sitting dash Isha. You have to check the picture and write it here. Isha is sitting dash Devi and Farooq. Devi is sitting dash to Isha. Farooq is sitting dash Chandru. All this you need to see fill by seeing that picture which just now I showed you. Okay. Mr. Peter asks you how to go to park from the church. Now direct him using the picture clues. Write the sentences in blanks given. Okay, sentences are given, it is blanks. You have to use it. Now rewrite the sentences framed above using the bubbles as given here. These bubbles are there. Go past the church. Go front. go under the bridge. Okay, like that you need to fill this all bubbles and write it here. Okay, then page number 79. Read the information and complete the sentence. Sandeep lived in Tumakuru 2000 to 2007. Read this information and complete the sentence. You have to complete the sentence. Okay, now fill in the blanks using until, since, for. First you need to understand what is until, what is since, what is for. Then you will be able to fill this very easily. Okay. Now I am explaining you until, since, for. When to use until, when to use since, when to use for. Let me begin with the for. For is used in time expressions to talk about the duration of an action. Duration, how many years you have completed your work. I am studying in SM school for about 10 years. Okay. Duration, you are going to tell you the person about the duration. Whenever you are talking about duration, you will use this for. Okay. Now I am explaining you since. When do we use since? Since tells us when the action began. Whenever it has concluded or not is irrelevant. Okay. Like for example, it has been raining since 11 o'clock a.m. Okay, since 11 o'clock I am reading. Continuing that work. You have started your work early in the morning till afternoon, you are continuing. When your work is started somewhere in the past and you are continuing still, that is called as since. At that time we are using since. Okay. I'll give you example. Yes. She has been the breadwinner in her house since she got divorced. Okay. Now, until. When we use until, to mention when an action ends. Okay. Action here, the action is continuing, whereas until is used when your action is ended. Full stop. Okay. Fine. I hope all of you understood. If you have not understood, my humble request is to repeat the video and see for, since and until when to use. Okay, now let us proceed towards the exercise. My uncle and auntie have been married since 1985. Since it is continuing even today. Since they were married in 1985, even today they are husband and wife. Okay, it is continuation. Until I will read. So, my uncle and auntie have been married since 1985. Okay, since it is continuing even today, until it will end the time. Okay. I was tired this morning. I stayed in bed. Dash 10 o'clock. What do you use until, since or for? Pause the video and try to think over. I stayed in bed for 10 o'clock. Okay. Yes, like that it is very easy. You will be able to do this. Okay. Now turn your page. You have formed question forms. There are two types of questions, that is WH questions and yes or no questions. WH questions, when you start beginning with your question WH, where, when, why, who, whom, which, how, all these are all WH. Begins with the WH, that is called as WH question. when some questions are there, you can end with yes or no. There won't be any answer. Either you have to tell yes or no. Okay, you can't make any kind of sentence. That type of questions are called as yes or no questions. Okay. See your exercise. What you need to do is you have to frame a question based on this underline. I'll read for you this. Now frame questions to get the underlined words as answers. Okay. These underlined questions are there. These questions you need to understand and make question. WH questions you need to make it. Can I do for you one? See this question. Sorry, sentence. I will make question for you. Sheetal had toasted bread for breakfast. You have to make a question. What did Sheetal have for breakfast? Okay, this answer should come. Like that you need to make form a question. Okay. We have our annual exams during summer. When do you have your annual exams? Understood? Yes. Yes or no questions? There are some questions which ends with yes or no. Need not require to give a big explanation. Okay. Was the grandmother happy with the company of sparrows? Yes or no? Yes. She was very happy. Okay. Like this it is. Here few questions are there in this exercise. Now answer these questions with yes or no. Do you like mangoes? Yes or no. See, there won't be any other choice. Okay, I don't like mangoes because it is sour. You can't tell. It is direct. Do you like mangoes? You have to end your answer either saying yes or no. No other choice. Okay. That type of questions are called as yes or no questions. Okay. With this I will end my session. Your writing homework is complete this exercise in your classwork as well as in your homework. Okay. With this I will end my session. Bye children.